Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so you are watching this and I'm in Montreal teaching, probably as we speak when you're watching this. So the last video you saw was the resin, new resin from Crystal Resin. So I was showing you guys how to do the resin, and that sale is still happening. So don't forget, you can save 30% off, 30% off this new and improved resin. So yeah, I'm in Montreal teaching and I'm making this video way in advance. And so, yeah, neon yellow. Oh my goodness. So let's just get started. Let's just get right at it. I don't have any events to tell you about except for Spokane, Washington. I will be in Washington June 6th to 9th for an all-inclusive fluid art lakeside retreat being hosted by Billy from the Fluid Art Co. company. Okay, so I'll be there June 6th to 9th if you want information on that event. The link to the website is in the description below the video. All right. Oh boy, this is gonna be interesting. We've got Reflex Yellow by Amsterdam. Now this is a transparent, right here, see, boop, boop, transparent. That square is not filled in, so it is transparent. So this time I was not lazy. I took a paintbrush and I painted all my sides. Okay, I painted my sides. A lot of people ask me what these are. These are my furniture levelers. You see, this is how I put them on. I just put 2 jumbo push pins in, okay? And then these guys spin so that you can level your canvas perfectly. And you can find these on my Amazon shop, listed in the description below. Okay, colors are the same that I always use, and I'm not taking any colors out, even though like on the hot pink piece, a few of you said, oh, you should have put the orange. But then that just defeats the whole purpose of trying different backgrounds with the same color palette. So I'm going to keep the colors in. So we've got Cadmium Free Red Light by Liquitex Basics. Then we have 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. Then we have Fluorescent Violet by Liquitex Basics. Then we have Metallic Cobalt Blue Artist Loft. Then we have Iridescent Turquoise TriArt. Then we have Quinacridone Magenta by Holbein, and a little bit of Titanium White by Amsterdam on the top. That's it. I mean, that's a lot of colors for a small canvas. This is a 12 by 16 inch. So these funky colors that I'm doing, I'm going to stick to smaller canvases. But I'm happy to report the hot pink one has sold. See, I told you, there's a pink lover out there and there's a buyer for everything. There really is a buyer for everything. So if you want to know how I mix my paints and my base paint, all of that, you can check out video number 434. I'll link it up here at the top. It'll pop up in one of these corners here. So check out that video, and it is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. All right, I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Okay, this is like so bright. I feel like I need sunglasses. My eyes hurt. I feel like someone took a yellow highlighter and like colored the whole canvas with a yellow highlighter. This is stupendously bright. This is too bright, but we're going for it. What the heck? Why not? Let's experiment. Let's have fun. Let's do it. All right, so let me think and do a very light-handed orange. Okay, because I don't know, orange and yellow is gonna make, you know what, brown nastiness. So let's just do that. Little light-handed. And then of course 24 karat gold needs to be light-handed. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I painted the edges because the edges would have been so see-through on this, like totally see-through. So if you have a transparent base, do yourself a favor and make sure you paint the sides. I just took a paintbrush and did it. All right. I went heavy with the metallic cobalt blue. So as I'm doing this, I have a couple more days before I leave for Montreal, but as you're watching this, I'm already in Montreal. But yeah, I'm so excited. Anthony's excited. Not only am I going to go teach and, you know, do classes, but I get to do like a little mini vacay road trip with my man. So that's a lot of fun. We're excited we're going a few days early so we can go, even though we've been there already, but we like going again and just checking out, you know, the sites and stuff, but we're excited. Okay, there we go. Let's pop the bubbles. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but we're gonna find out together. So let's just do it. Not gonna lie, I'm actually pleasantly surprised that I actually like this. I don't know what it is, but it is bright, it's colorful, there's so many pretty pink cells happening right here. I don't know where those came from, but it seems to be like this first initial blow, this streak, I really like it for some reason. I always like that part. Wow. Okay. It'll be so interesting to see how this dries. And I hope this stays put and it doesn't go over the edge because I kind of like it like that. But I mean, the orange did so well with the yellow. I'm actually really surprised. It's like nice, bright orange. It's not like a murky brown or anything like that. I mean, I'm not going to touch anything on this other than the sides. But this is going to be so interesting to see how it dries. Because, of course, it's going to dry darker. So it'll be interesting to see how this yellow is going to dry. Like, I mean, how much darker can it possibly go? I don't know. So I'm going to fix up my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, let's get our stick and scrape those drips. Oops, don't do that. Scrape the drips. Do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later, do it again. Oh my goodness, I hope you're wearing sunglasses. I mean, this is ridiculously bright. I don't know, you're either going to love it or you're gonna hate it. It's like literally one or the other. I don't even know if there's an in-between. But I mean, that's my favorite part right there. That streak of blue and quinacridone. Like, I mean, this is so pretty. And those cells right there, so pretty. All right, so let's see what it looks like with the flash on. All right, lights are off. It's kind of dark in here because it's a gloomy, rainy day. So, I mean, we know there's going to be shimmer in here. That's for sure. Oh, let me go back because my camera changes color. Lots of shimmer. But again, I'm just curious. Oh, that orange is so pretty with that gold. Here's my favorite part. Lots of shimmer. Oh, look at that outline. You see that outline of shimmer? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. All right, there you have it. And there you have it, my friends. Well, let me know what you guys think. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you kind of in between? I don't know. You tell me, what do you think about this and what color should I do next? What color should I do next with these colors here? Let me know in the comments below. That is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.